This is the first ever in our region adult career training program. This is a perfect opportunity. I had individuals come to me like, I was always looking to go back for my GED or diploma. I couldn't really find the right time. And then all of a sudden it clicked, like, oh, I can do that and get this career training at the same time. So they came back and they really busted their butt as hard as they could for 18 weeks. They showed dedication. The employers saw the same thing. And like, if they're willing to put 18 weeks forward into a program, they're probably going to do the same thing and be successful in their careers.
Starting school, we were tempted to think the truth was quite stark. School was seen as being scary, teachers would intimidate us, the learning would be too difficult, and everyone might not like us. And if you're my age or older, going back is something not everybody does. However, as time went by, we realized none of that was true. Sure, there have been challenging times when we have been tested, but we pulled through. The great thing about our class is that we are ready and able to tackle our new challenges. We now can recognize calmly those inner feelings of discomfort and unease. We can take a calm view of life and breathe a little easier, knowing how to, bit by bit, find the inner strength inside of us to be able to do anything we want and to be anything we want. We also know how to collaborate with teachers, mentors, and friends to help keep things real. Of course, we also have our families to love and support us no matter what. So let me wish the ACT class of 2018 every success in the future. Good luck, everyone.
Nate Boersma. Next we have Kayla Sprick.
Thank you.
This is a huge accomplishment for these people. You can just tell on their face when they came up, they got their certificate, when they're talking to the individuals, all the employers are talking about how engaged they are. They've been looking for something and they found it today. Getting that certificate, shaking someone's hand, feeling proud of themselves, going, getting interviews, talking to employers, going to go out and get a job. It's a smile I haven't seen on their face since we originally talked to get into the program. It's an employer showcase, but it's set up a little bit different. So all of the individuals, they have their portfolios and resumes and things that they've been working on this whole time, and that they're at their table, the employees are walking around and talking to them. This is a chance for them to showcase what they have learned, and the employers are super excited because they've known and they have seen and talked with these individuals throughout the process, and they're looking to hire. So they're coming in already with applications and looking to set up interviews and hire individuals. So it's a great opportunity for them both to mesh together, and it's a win-win for them both. I'm going to continue to work with you guys, text you, keep pushing you, because I see so much potential in every single one of you. So this isn't the end. We're going to keep on working forward until we reach every single goal that I know that you guys have.